Government of Canada's official video on how to use ArriveCan app and information required to input in the app.
Are you planning to travel to Canada? If you are traveling by air or land, you are required to provide essential information before you arrive, using ArriveCan. ArriveCan is a user-friendly digital tool to help travelers comply with Canada's border measures quickly and securely. It is available as a mobile app or by signing in online. Within the 72 hours before your arrival in Canada, you must use ArriveCan to submit your contact and travel details, including where you've been and where you're going, your COVID-19 vaccination information, your pre-entry COVID-19 test results, your quarantine plan, your reservation at a government-authorized hotel if traveling by air, and your COVID-19 symptom self-assessment. You must be ready to show your ArriveCan receipt when seeking entry into Canada. A Border Services Officer will verify that you have submitted your information digitally. If you are fully vaccinated, you must use ArriveCan to confirm your exemptions from certain public health requirements. After entering Canada, travelers must confirm that they have arrived at the government-authorized hotel, if required, or their place of quarantine or isolation. Travelers must provide a daily COVID-19 symptom self-assessment during their quarantine period. This must be done through ArriveCan or by calling the toll-free number. Use ArriveCan by signing in online at canada.ca/ArriveCan or by downloading the latest version of the mobile app through Google Play or the Apple App Store. For more information, call 1-833-641-0343 or visit canada.ca/ArriveCan. A message from the Government of Canada.